Hey everybody, how are you? Welcome back to another Calvin and Jeff video. So I'm just here at my folks' house picking up Calvin. I've been traveling for the last 5 days on a business trip, so I'm just anxious to see what his reaction is going to be after not seeing me for 5 days. So I hope he gives me a warm welcome. I'm expecting him to be a little wild and crazy, but I guess we'll see when the camera rolls when I pick him up. All right, so I'm just walking in towards the house. And as soon as I open the door, let's see what kind of reaction Calvin gives me. Hi, bud. Hi, bud. Hi, Cal. He's jumping up on me. Hey, Calvin, do you miss me? Where's my kiss? Okay, thank you. I'm home. I'm home. Hey, were you a good boy while I was gone? Or did you cause trouble? Hey, Cal. I missed you. I missed you. I really did. I really missed you. All right, so Cal is back home after 5 days at the grandparents'. Hey, Calvin, how do you feel to be back home? Happy to be home?
Bruh.
You happy to be home? I'm happy to be home and I'm happy to have you back. Did you miss me? Perfect. That's gonna wrap up today's short video. I hope you guys enjoyed Calvin's reaction to my return home for my business trip. I think it's safe to say that Cal loves me and I love him too. So thanks for watching and we'll see you at the next video. Take care.